Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your region on your Wechat. To do so, first of all, go onto your Wechat and go onto your profile by clicking on me, which is on the bottom right side of the screen. From here, click on your profile picture, and after clicking on it, you can see an option for more info. If you click on more info, you can see an option for region, and from here you'll be able to change your region to whichever country you like. And that's how you can change your region on your Wechat. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.